If you experience persistent coughing, a shortness of breath, do not overlook these two important points on the hand. In traditional medicine, the areas located along the sides of the thumbnails of the thumb and index finger are associated with the lung meridian and respiratory regulation. These points are traditionally used to help clear lung heat, soothe the throat, and support smoother breathing. Using your opposite thumb, apply firm, steady pressure to the edge of the nail as indicated. Repeat on both hands. A mild soreness or tingling sensation suggests proper stimulation. Many individuals report that after consistent practice, their chest feels lighter and throat discomfort is noticeably reduced. Apply this technique carefully and observe how your breathing responds. If you found this guidance helpful, please leave a thank you in the comments so I know you watched until the end.